Okay guys, we got a 2010 Ford Flex here with a 3.5. We are throwing a bunch of codes. We have mass airflow, we have the EVAP code, VVT, the variable valve timing 1 and 2. That's bank 1 and bank 2. I think I got those right. Both are 2 oxygen sensors, AC clutch and the reverse lamps. We checked the reverse lamps, they didn't work. AC clutch, we weren't sure because we haven't charged this system yet. That's what we're doing now, but we wanted to find the problem with all of these so we can grab a mass airflow and replace it, which we did. EVAP canister, we haven't looked into. The VVT solenoids, both brand new, replaced them both. Oxygen sensors, it's got new cats on it and new O2 sensors all around. AC clutch, again, we haven't checked. Reverse lamp, definitely was out. So these are the things we need to be concerned with. These are the things we need to check out on this vehicle. But should you have this vehicle, this is why I love ALLDATA so much. So here's all our items. We're gonna go to ALLDATA. I'm gonna clear these because we have already done this. We've already solved this problem. So I'm kind of reenacting it here for you. So the only thing that I'm really concerned with is the timing at this point, the VVT solenoids 1 and 2. And I failed to mention the timing has been replaced and we're still popping these solenoids. And the kit came with variable valve timing, the solenoids, it came with the phasers, all those have been replaced. So the common denominator here between both VVT solenoids are these 2 green wires, 1 on each. So then we look at this, there's an oxygen sensor. If you notice with ALLDATA, when you click on it, it tells you what all circuits are connected to that circuit. So again, we're gonna click on them. What's this? Yeah, I put that on there. So sorry guys. So when I click on those, they share the circuits. So here's our oxygen sensor. So we can mark off this circuit and this circuit has a common denominator, the green wire. We can also mark off both of our HO2s, right? We can mark off cylinder head temperature. Oh, no, that's not on there. I'm sorry. This one, which is the EVAP. We also have a code for EVAP. Go figure. Let's scroll up. Now this wire goes, oh, sorry. We're scrolled up. Now this wire goes this way. Let's go ahead and follow that for a second. Again, I love ALLDATA. Brake pedal switch. So that's not on there, but the reverse lamp was. And I didn't check the brake lights, to be honest with you. So let's continue over. I don't know why that all clicked blue right there. That is mass airflow. Let me see if I can click that blue off. I don't know what I clicked. So mass airflow, that's on there. We have a code for that. So let's follow this back up again. We have AC clutch and reverse lights. Well, look at that. Those are all of our codes. I do have those P numbers if you need them. But I just wrote these down off of the code reader real quick. Then there's one other wire right here. This wire goes to, on a 15 amp fuse, number 48. So we walked over here. This right here was that 15 amp fuse. It was blown. Replaced the fuse, cleared the codes, nothing came back. One little 15 amp fuse. So you can think to yourself, okay, how did one 15 amp fuse carry the circuit for all these? Well, that's not necessarily true because they can carry through the relays and the relays ground. So you don't necessarily have one 15 amp fuse feeding all these, but this was our problem. So if you have a 2010 Ford Flex with a 3.5 or possibly any 3.5 Ford, and you have these codes, there is a common denominator thanks to ALLDATA. So I really hope that this video helps somebody out because it sure did us. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.